Listen to me carefully. If you are a student who is at the university, in today's video, I'm going to teach you 6 things that you should do if you want to make money as a student at the university. Can I tell you something? Life at the university is very hard. Without money, life at the university is very hard because you are struggling with rent. Some of you have school fees that is not completed. You need food to eat, coursework is there, this and this and that and that. So in today's video, I'm going to teach you 6 things you should do if you want to make money as a student who is still at school. If this is your first time to come across my video, tap on the follow button and then subscribe to my YouTube channel. Link is in my bio. You understand? Stay with me until the end of this video because number 5 is what is going to blow your mind. So let's dive straight to it. Before I give you any idea on the things that you need to do to make money as a student at the university, listen to me carefully. The first thing that you need to do is what they call change your mindset. Shift your mindset, because so many of you think that making money as a student, you should make money only after getting a degree or after graduating from the university. No, change your mindset. Let me tell you, if you are able to think, if you are able to write, if you are able to read, then you have everything it takes for you to make money as a student at the university. Listen to me. I want you to speak to yourself that I'm not a broke student. I'm a student entrepreneur in making. That is how you need to train your mind. Train your mind. I'm not a broke student. Write for me in the comment section. I'm not a broke student. I'm a student entrepreneur in the making. Once you start having this kind of mentality, once you start having this kind of mental shift, mindset shift, bro, listen and listen to me carefully. You'll start seeing opportunities everywhere around you. That is the first thing that you have to do. Change your mindset. Start thinking the right way. Do not think that making money is only for you after graduating. No, you can make money as a student at school. Refuse to be a broke student. You understand? Let's go deeper. The simplest way and the most powerful way you can make money as a student at the university is for you to sell something. Every student at the university is a potential client, but they become a client, they become a customer only if you know what they want. If you are a student and you know you have a problem, that same problem that you have, another student might be having. So instead of all of you crying about that particular problem, you become the problem solver. So what do? There are so many things you can sell. Students need snacks, students need shoes, they need clothing, cosmetics, they need beauty products, they need electronics, so many things that students need. So find ways of buying those products and then bring it closer to them, bring it within your hostel and sell it to them at an affordable rate. You understand? Students are good at supporting their fellow students. That is the first thing you should do if you want to make money at the university. Remember one thing, if you can't sell, you cannot scale. So the fastest way you can make money is for you to sell something. Find something and sell. You will never be broke. You will never be broke. Remember, even with little amount of money you can start. That pocket money they give you from home, use that pocket money to start something small, to buy something and then you sell to students and then get those small profits. Get it. You understand? What matters is consistency. It is not the amount of money that matters for starting. What matters is consistency. Keep doing it each and every time. Students take tea every day, so buy those snacks, bring chapati, put a chapati point at the university. Students will come and buy yours because they are good at supporting their fellow students. Have a chapati point at school. Number 3, if you want to make money as a student at the university, learn a skill and then monetize it. Immediately you have learned a skill, don't just give people your skills for free. Charge them a fees. Charge them some money. Monetize your skill because you are giving value. You're solving their problems. And there are so many skills that you can learn without any money. You can just go on YouTube, start learning those skills. Learn how to edit videos. Content creators are at the universities. They need good videos. You can edit for them their videos and they pay you. People have parties at the universities every weekend, and they need posters. So learn graphic design so that you can design them posters, and then you charge them a fees. Learn hairdressing. Girls want their hair to look nice. So monetize your skill. Once you learn a skill, don't give it for free. Monetize it. That is one of the ways you can make money as a student at the university. You understand? Listen, let me tell you something. Even if they pay you 20,000 in a week, even if they pay you 20,000 in a week, at the end of the month, that is 80,000. You understand? Without you calling your mommy or your daddy for money at home, or disturbing your relatives, then if they fail to give you money, you start saying that, my uncle is bad, my brother does not give me money. Bro, use your brain. Sister, use your brain. You can make money when you're studying. You understand? Monetize your skill. Once you learn, monetize it. Don't give your skills for free. Number 4, the fourth thing you can do as a student who wants to make money at the university is use your phone wisely. Turn your phone into a money-making machine, not just a phone you use for calling girls or talking with boys on phone all the time. That data you load in your phone every day, don't just use that data to consume. Use that data to create. You understand? Let your phone become your number one office. Open a YouTube channel, create a YouTube channel and start making contents. You understand? Use your phone to do affiliate marketing. Use your phone to do digital marketing, selling ebooks, selling notes, selling courses. You understand? Use your phone in the right way. Don't just use your phone to consume. Use your phone to create. Those are some of the ways you can make money as a student at school. You don't understand? Let's go straight to number 5. Number 5 is what I call campus service. There used to be this girl in my class. During weekdays, she's in class attending classes. During weekends, she's busy doing for other students their laundry. And they pay her for washing for them their clothing. You understand? In that same way, even you, as a student at school, you can start your own cleaning agency. You can start your own cleaning business at school, whereby you go and clean for other students their hostel, you wash for them their clothing, and then they will pay you. So this girl, over the weekdays, she's in class. Over the weekends, she's doing laundry. And they pay her for that. In that same way, you can make money like that. The problem is that so many of you students, you are full of pride. I cannot wash for someone their clothing. I cannot clean for someone their hostel. Bro, sister, pride will not take you far. You need to make that money. You understand? Then there is another guy who used to print for other students' notes. These ones who are lazy of going to the library. He could go and print for them notes and he comes and sell them. Let me tell you, making money at the university is about knowing what problem do I have as a student. Because if I have this problem, another student will be having that same problem. So rather than all of us crying about the problem, why don't I become the problem solver? So solve a problem and then they'll pay you. Offer a service, they will pay you. Sell a product, they will pay you. That is how you can make money at the university. You understand? Those are the 5 ways you can make money at the university as a student. Stop crying that you are broke. You're not broke. You're just lazy and you're not creative. You're not thinking. Being a student at school is not about reading books and passing exams. No, you need to make money as a student so that your life can be easy. So listen to me. As I conclude, it's all up to you to choose which of these 5 ways, 6 ways can I make money as a student. It's all up to you. Remember, some of them takes time. Some of them you start making money immediately. You understand? So choose what works for you. It's up to you to take this serious. So if you like this video, consider giving me a follow and then subscribing to my YouTube channel for more of financial, business, and self-improvement videos. I remain your number 1 coach, Obin.